Did you know plants and humans have many things in common? Plants are living things just like us, and plants need food to grow just like us. But what are the foods that plants need to grow? They need enough sunlight, water, clean air, rich soil, and space. Plants take in carbon dioxide like we breathe in oxygen, and they give out oxygen like we breathe out carbon dioxide. Enough sunlight provides warmth and energy for the plants. Water transports nutrients throughout the plant. Plants take water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. Rich soil also helps the plant hold on firmly so it can grow tall. Stored water and nutrients in the soil are transported to the plant through the roots. Too much water or too much sunlight can be harmful to plants. Too much water can drown the plant, and too much sunlight can cause the plants to get dried. So next time you see your uncle or aunt planting in their garden, think about the food the plants need. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.